guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to another tutorial. Once again, we're going to be talking about Kandi patterns. Today, we're going to be talking about how to design and follow your very own ladder stitch cuff pattern. So of course, to start out with, you're going to need to go to kandypatterns.com and then open up the pattern maker. And of course, if it doesn't open because your Flash player isn't on, just click on this little lock and then click the drop down menu, hit allow, and refresh the page. I have to do this every time I go to this website for some reason. In order to generate a ladder stitch cuff template, we're gonna need to click here, generate template, and then change bead type to square. And then for the amount of columns, I usually do 22 because that's how many fits me the best normally. And then as far as rows go, I don't like to make them any thicker than like 6 because with the ladder stitch, the only places the beads are attached to each other is on the top and bottom of the row, if that makes any sense. So I don't want to make it too tall or it might be unstable. So I'm going to go with 22 columns and 6 rows, and I will generate that. And this is what my ladder stitch cuff pattern would look like. And then you can just literally draw whatever you want on there. Let me show you what it would look like if I made it rainbow. And I can also talk about how to follow the pattern. First, you would add the first column. The way you would add the beads and follow the pattern is by column. And then you would add all the beads in the second column, whatever those may be, and the third column, the fourth column, there's the fifth column, and the sixth column will make purple. Now you can draw whatever you want in this shape, but just know when you're making it, the way to follow it is column by column. So with the ladder stitch cuffs, it is super easy to draw and follow your very own Kandi patterns for them. And I will go ahead and fill out the rest of this pattern. There we go. Okay, so once I am done filling all the pattern out, I'm just gonna click on upload picture. And then let's type ladder template here. And of course, I'm going to leave a link to this in the description for you. So let's hit, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and copy that, goes. Let's hit upload. And of course, it does the not logged in glitch. Great, okay. Let's try again, and it worked. So now to open that pattern, I'm going to scroll down on the left-hand side, click all my patterns, and it's right there for us. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or any suggestions for future videos. Leave a like if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.